I'm really happy about it. I can't believe it. I got a new roof and my house looks new now. Well, the free storm assessment that we had with our house was very, very important because visually for me and my husband, we could not tell if anything was actually wrong with the roof. And actually, there was a lot of damage to our roof. Douglas Construction took over the whole process of dealing with the insurance company. We didn't have to call them, we didn't have to even respond to an email. We were communicating directly with Dustin, and it was very easy and very professional. Well, all the promises that were made to us, they were kept. And that was very important. It was completely stress-free for us. Felt like we weren't doing any work. Everything was behind the scene and everything got done. And we didn't have to worry about anything. They came on time. The explanation they were given to my husband and I were very clear about the material, what they were going to do. It was very reassuring, and it was done before I knew it. That was the best part of it. And the result was fantastic. They were professional, they were on time, they were hardworking, they left everything clean. They are absolutely awesome. I would hire them again. I have actually been recommending them to my friends over the phone. I don't have a single complaint. I'm very pleased. We feel very lucky that we came across Douglas Construction Company.